Oh hey, have you ever wondered how to change the taillight bulb or perhaps the entire taillight assembly on your F55 Mini? Well, wonder no more, because Beamer Tech is here to help with another digital short on how to do just that. Here are the only tools you'll need for the job, and only if you're replacing the whole taillight: a screwdriver with a T20 Torx bit and a Beamer Tech trim tool. If you just need to replace one of the bulbs, pop off the access panel inside the rear of the car on the side that you need. Reach inside and squeeze the two tabs that secure the bulb holder to the taillight assembly and pull the unit out. Once the assembly is out, push in and turn the bulb that you need to replace to get it to disconnect. I used a towel since my hands were sweaty and slipping. Take your new bulb, push it in, and turn it clockwise to secure it. Take a moment to wipe down all the bulbs to remove dust, dirt, and oil from your fingers. Not only will this make the rest of your bulbs brighter, but oil from your fingers will cut down on the life of your bulbs. Place the bulb holder back in place. Put the access panel back in place. Test the light. And you're done! If you need to replace the entire assembly, start by removing the access panel on the side you need. Next, carefully use a Beamer Tech trim tool to remove the outer trim surrounding the assembly. Using a T20 Torx bit, remove the 3 screws holding the assembly to the car. Once the screws are removed, hold the taillight with one hand, and with the other hand, reach inside and locate 2 tabs that secure the assembly to the car. Once you squeeze them in, the assembly will come free. Disconnect the single connector and you can completely remove the assembly. If you need to replace the bulb holder into a new assembly, remove it as you would have replacing a bulb. To put the assembly or your new assembly back, simply complete all the steps in reverse. Plug it back in, push it into place, reinstall the screws, put the trim back, and replace the access panel. Test the taillights and you're done. And that is how you replace the taillight bulb or perhaps the entire taillight assembly on your F55 Mini. For more tips and tricks about BMWs and Minis and how Beamer Tech can help you with your ride, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching.